Good morning. I thought I'd start this while I'm outside, letting the dog out. So yesterday I ended up doing leaves instead of cookies because it was supposed to rain last night, and I'm glad I did because it definitely rained. There's a lot more leaves down again, but those won't get done for a while. Well, my plan is to clean house first. I'm not going to show a ton of that because I don't want this to be a Groundhog Day vlog. But I'm going to clean real fast. And then I want to kind of go through my linen cupboard in the spare bedroom and purge what I don't need to have in there anymore and get that reorganized. Then we're going to run to Goodwill, drop off some donations, and then hit Starbucks, get some coffee, and then come back. Probably prep a batch of cookies, one of the spritz ones we're going to make. I'm thinking probably the snowflakes because that one doesn't require food coloring, and I don't want the tube to have any residue in it that gets on the snowflakes. So we'll do those, but while I'm baking that or making that batch of dough, we're gonna cook dinner, lunch, because I did make a broccoli rice casserole last night. I just prepped it up, but it needs to go in the oven still, and that's gonna be my lunch for today. So probably do that, eat lunch, and then come back and press out the snowflakes and then make the green trees. But I thought I'd take you along because we're gonna bake cookies. At least that's the plan. I'm praying my body can hold out because it is extremely sore. I ended up doing leaves for like 3 hours yesterday.
Maybe you shouldn't talk that way. Really matter if the bed's made or if we wore the same shirt that day. Maybe I don't think the same. Maybe you showed up too late. I left my shoes by the doorway. I like it that way. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me. So baby, come on. Tonight, just let me be your someone.
The house is clean. What I'm gonna do for now, I still gotta do kitchen, but that I'm gonna wait till after we're done baking. Ignore the mess. I have Thanksgiving and some Christmas stuff out, so we're not gonna worry about that. But this bin here is what I gotta take to donate, and this is what I call my linen pantry, or linen cupboard, because I brammed like my beach bag in here, which is usually where I store it, but I still think I need to go through some of this stuff and decide if I'm keeping any of it.
Be your someone. Be your someone. So what you wanna do now? We both know how we're feeling. I can hear you breathing. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone. You leave all your...
All right, there's the donation pile. Much better. We just got sheets, blanket, beach towels, that basket with some random bags, and then my beach bag. All right, I'm gonna transfer this load of laundry. I know there's some hang-ups in there, and then from there I can finish kind of packing up what I gotta take and tuck away the rest of the Christmas Christmas gifts. So let me take care of this.
If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me. So baby, come on. Tonight, just let me be your someone. Be your someone.
All right, I'm in the car. We're gonna head, I think, to Starbucks first and grab some holiday coffee now that they're out. And then when we get back, we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, my head is pounding and I'm tired.
Be your someone. Maybe I'm a little lazy. Maybe you're a little crazy lately. But I don't change things.
Okay, you can take your order.
Can I get a grande caramel brulee latte?
All right.
And then, do you have the sugar plum cheese Danish?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take one of those.
Okay, that's it?
Yep.
All right. And it was hot, right?
Yes, please.
Grande?
Yep.
All right. All right, total is $11.24. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
No problem.
Well, changing plans. I was gonna get the cranberry bliss bar, but I know the sugar plum cheese Danish runs out faster, so I'm gonna get that, and then the next time I get Starbucks, we'll try to get the cranberry bliss bar.
Ooh, be your someone. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone. You lean all your way. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, lay it on me. So baby,
I think I'm gonna park real quick and eat. This really quick, because not gonna lie, I'm hungry. So it'll be perfect timing to go home and make lunch.
come on. Tonight, just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone.
Oh, that's good. Nice and hot. All right, now we head home. I'm outside letting the dog go to the bathroom, but I think what I'm gonna do, because the casserole has to take like an hour to cook because I refrigerated it, we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven and get that going so I can have lunch. Probably unload the dishwasher that I ran and fold a load of laundry and start the next, well, I won't start the next load till we're done. But I think that's what we're gonna do, and then I'll start cookies after I've eaten lunch and taken care of that meal prep, just because that is gonna take up space and I gotta wash the casserole dish. So I will check in with you when we unload the dishwasher.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shake me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying, flying. Fit in when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin.
Changing plans. I'm gonna whip up the one batch of cookies now before the oven's off. We're gonna eat, and then hopefully by then Target will be ready for me to go do a pickup order, because apparently I miscalculated and didn't get enough shortening for these 2 cookies. So we'll knock out one because I have enough for that, and then I can press it when I get back after I make the second dough is my plan, I think, just so we can get it knocked out quicker. Because if the dough's done, I can put it in the fridge and finish it tomorrow. That's not a big deal. But I'm gonna go get the cookies made. I pulled out everything I needed, and I think we got 40 minutes on the oven. So my goal is to hopefully have it done, wash up everything, and the dough just set aside.
Smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. wish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere.
I quickly decided I was going to go ahead and bake these before I run to Target. My order is ready. It's almost 1:45, but I think I can get these ones pressed out. There's 2 more batches in the oven, and then I got this stuff set out. And I've already set up the stuff to make the green trees, which this I'll do when we get back.
Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
All right, I'm trying to box these up as they're cooling because I'm running out of cooling rack space.
Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine.
Okay, last cookies came out of the oven. They're sitting on the cooling rack. We're just gonna leave them there. I'm gonna run up to Target, get my pickup order, and then when we get back, we'll try to get the other dough made, and I'll just put it in the fridge and do more baking tomorrow. But let's head up to Target.
Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
Only kind of, I guess you could say, fun thing, however this thing is damaged, was this like pedestal board from Hearth and Hand. I wanted it to go over here to kind of raise up the Alexa and maybe the plant. It's bigger than I thought it was though. I don't know. I'll leave leave it there for a few days and just see what it looks like. I'm going to wrap this up here. I'm sweating, I'm dying. I need to chill out before I have dinner and stuff. I hate how I always feel so darn rushed on my days off to get so much done. And I know this is going to slow down once we get past Friendsgiving, which is next weekend. But all right, well, I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.